What we have today is a Razer Diamondback, and we're going to disassemble this and clean it. And we'll have tweezers and we have screwdrivers. Apparently we also need some prying tools from the iFixit kit. As we can see, there is no screw under the first one, so I'm guessing that there's nothing under here either. So most likely we have one here and nothing else. I was expecting there to be one under here. It seems that there's none. Well, we're going to take all of these off since they're going to get replaced anyway. Let's feel if there's something under here. And it seems that you need to be careful with these front posts because they are very easily broken. As we can see, one of them we already managed to break. So we can get the parts out. Nope. And then we want to lift this. I have a feeling that these aren't that necessary since we already have the 4 screws, so that's okay. However, we did lose the LED capability because of that thing breaking. Also, it seems that there's, let's see if we can take this thing off. Can we take the LEDs off? Yes. There we go. And now we can take this thing and put it into a bath. So technically what you can do to avoid this, if you don't need to wash the bottom part, is that you can leave this in like so. Just wiggle it off the top thingy and then you can wash the top and then reassemble it without the fear of breaking this part here, which I just did. Now let's see if we can take the rest of the things apart so that we can wash both the top and the bottom. It appears that this board here connects to the chassis here, so we need to take out the 4 screws. And then the bottom PCB is secured with 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. So we need to take those out. And you need a smaller bit for that. There's one more screw here. And I have a feeling that this mice might not live through this operation. There we go. We've got the guts out. And we can now move into cleaning. Again, just water and soap. And a toothbrush. There we go. These are done. So are my gloves. And now I just need to rinse these and dry them. And let's see how they turn out. Here are the pieces. They're mostly dry. And we can see that there's some stuff here. And there's some stuff, I think, here. And we have some that we can see in the correct lighting condition roughly here. And we can see some here. We also have some here and some here that didn't come off in the toothbrush thing. So I'm going to chuck these into the ultrasonic cleaner and we'll come back with them after that. Next we have this thing. Since the outside has been in contact with skin, we will clean it, and to do that we're going to use some makeup pads and some isopropyl alcohol. And there we go. Then from the guts we have the scroll wheel. We can just detach. And again, the same thing. Makeup pad, isopropyl alcohol. That's done, we can put things back together. So just slap this back in. So. Here is the piece that holds together this cable. So we'll probably be able to push it in. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. You could now attempt to put the Teflon pads on, but the type of adhesive that Razer has used means that these are not going to hold very well, to be honest. We can try. But since you don't need to remove these in the first place, you just need to make these holes. This shouldn't be much of a problem. It just means that they may go bad if you decide to wash them. So again, just like with the Logitech videos that I've done, do change or do order pads before you open up the mouse, so that you have a fresh set that you can apply to the bottom once you're done fixing your mouse. I'd say that that's passable. And that's all for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.